Hi guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to convert media on Motorola G15. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and search up image converter. Now install this app. Okay, now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Let's skip this for now. Now select the required format, allow. Now tap here to select an image we would like to transform. I will import from gallery. Doesn't want to load up. I'll just take a picture. Oh my god, it doesn't want to load up. Okay, take a picture. Tap here to confirm it. Now if you would like to, you can also compress it, but I will pass on this option for now and go ahead and tap on done, save. And here's your path to the image, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.